In this video, we are going to show you how to use the before and after image slider in Elfsight. Now, to do this, all you need to do is sign into your account. And once you're logged in, you are going to be here, right? So you want to hover your mouse above or on the widget option here. As you can see here, this slide down will appear. And you want to look and find for, oops, there you go. You want to look and find for before and after slider. It is under tools, right? You could do that, but it's just going to bring you to the website. So click on before and after slider like so. There you go. And here you want to click on this red tab here. It says create widget for free like so. And here you can just choose before and after. So you can choose simple comparison or retouch slider, list of works, and product comparison. So we're just going to choose this one. There you go. And then scroll down a bit until you see this. It says continue with this template. So click on that. And then you just need to add a set. So dog one. And just choose before and after image. You could actually label them both, and then you can add a caption. You can edit your copy. You can make it bold or italicized. You can make it listed or bulleted, right? And then click add to website after you're done, and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's the video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.